Shawna here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Stitch Fix unboxing, and this is a unique one. I just put out a video not too long ago and I didn't keep anything. It just either wasn't something I was gonna wear right now or not my style, or it was a mini backpack. We don't need to talk about it. You can go watch the video, but I didn't keep anything. And so it offered me, do you want a new box right away? We won't charge you a styling fee. And I was like, okay, we'll see how they can do, if they can turn things around for me. Either they offer that all the time and I just don't ever send everything back, or maybe it was because I've been doing this for a long time. I don't know. So anyways, that's what this box is. I didn't ask for anything, so it's gonna be a surprise when I get. So let's check it out. Okay, if you've never tried Stitch Fix, I'll put my referral code down below so you can give it a try. You get like your styling fee waived the first time. So it doesn't cost you anything to just give it a try. Return envelope, pricing, I'll look at that in a minute. Let's see who my stylist is. It's been Alicia for, oh, it's a new person, Sam. Okay, I'll read that stylist note in a minute, but first I will check out, oh, my bundle. I don't know, looks pretty good. Okay, so they got my number there. I love stripes. This is a navy and like cream or white kind of knit top, perfect for fall, adorable. Can't wait to try it on. Oh, that's cute too. See, they know I love yellow and I love stripes, and that is so cute. This is a lot better than the striped shirt that I look like a little boy in the last video. So glad I didn't get that. But we'll try this on, see how it fits. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, it is it a cardigan? Oh no, it's a dress. Oh, look at that. It's navy and it's super soft and stretchy and has buttons all the way down the front. So super comfy. Dress it up, dress it down, lounge around the house. Can't wait to try that on. Oh, look at that. It's a jean jacket. Let's see who it's by. It's by Prosperity. I don't know if anybody else is like, my jean jacket is from, I have a white one that's newer, but my like classic jean jacket is from Old Navy. Does everybody have an Old Navy jean jacket from like 2004 or something? So it wouldn't be a bad idea to get a new one. And oh my gosh, this has stretch in it. I hope it's cute on. Because I could use a little new jean jacket refresh. OMG. OMG. Look at, these are, what brand are these? Okay, Cosmic Blue Love, white denim. I have a pair of Cosmic Blue Love in my boyfriend jeans and I legit love them. They are straight leg, which I've been wanting to try straight leg. These are real cute. I have a pair of white jeans and I don't wear them nearly enough, but well, they might just be adorable. Okay, let's try them on. I am loving all of this already. A million times better than my last box. And let's see, I mean, pricing, fit, that's gonna matter too. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I have 3 of the pieces on. So the jean jacket, denim jacket is really cute. I love the color, I love the fit, it's so stretchy. I like how long it is. The arms aren't long at all. That's my beef with my other one. Is I have to roll the sleeves. They're too long. Great for fall. Okay, the jeans. I think they're cute. The only beef I have a little bit is that they cut in a little bit at the waist. They're not quite as stretchy at the waist as I'd like. But we're carrying a little more weight than we normally are, so that's probably my issue. But the length is fun. I'm not that great with this raw hem straight leg, but I like this length. Usually they're like too long or too short, but I'm kind of digging it. What do you think of white pants? I don't reach for them nearly enough. I'm kind of messy. So I do a lot of staining. Okay, let's look at this. My husband said this was a perfect fall outfit. He says, you have all those things, but it is a really nice fall outfit. It's true. I have white jeans, I have a denim jacket, and I have lots of striped shirts. But look how cute it is! Maybe I just did need a stylist refresh because this is so much cuter than all my previous boxes recently. What do you think? Is the shirt cute? The sleeves are like a little bit short, but I think they're meant to be kind of 3/4 sleeve. They're a little pull up. Okay. I'll go try on the other t-shirt and the dress. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next shirt, and I just put on with my regular jeans, and I think this is totally cute. The fit is great. I love the V-neck. I think it shows off the ladies without showing too much. It's fun and casual. It's a little rounded. You could front tuck it. You could leave it long. I don't know. I think it's totally cute. It's like really nice fit for a t-shirt, and the V-neck makes it a little cuter, and the fit is cute. Even the yellow, I like yellow, wearing yellow. If the price is right, I mean, I think this is a winner. My husband wasn't totally sold on it, so tell me what you think. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? All right, here's the dress, and I'm super on the fence about it. I love it, right? I love the buttons. I love this stretchy, super soft fabric. The color's great, everything's covered, and in there the length is great. Everything's great. Super cute. It has a lining, which I feel like kind of smooths out like the little bumpies that we don't want people to see. So it kind of helps with that. Here's the only drawback, is I wrestled with this thing forever to get the buttons straight because it's so stretchy, and the lining is also all gallywumpus, so I keep trying to adjust and readjust. And so like the seam for the lining, you can feel it and see it, but it doesn't line up with the seam of the dress. And so it's always kind of crooked, and you don't know where the seams are, and I can't seem to get, pun intended, but I can't get them to line up well, and so it would bug the heck out of me. So I don't know, because I really like this dress, but the lining, which I thought, this is awesome, it's lined, is super stretchy too, and they're not playing nice. Okay, I think maybe it'll depend on the price. Let's look at prices. I'll be right back. Okay, now we are going to look at prices because it matters. I really liked everything, but I didn't absolutely need any of these things, but a million times better box than my last ones that I've had, so awesome job. I read my stylist note. It's a new stylist. He said they have had tight inventory, but got me some things that were soft and snuggly that I wanted, and I think he did an excellent job. All right, but in the end, it comes down to prices. Okay, this shirt is mixed by 41 Hawthorne, and I really liked it. Oh my gosh, the price is only $38. Yeah, I can pay $38 for this. If it was like $56, I'm like, I got striped shirts. But $38? Yeah. The yes pile. Okay, so the Prosperity denim jacket is $68. Oof, it's a little steep, but not bad at all. Like, I would definitely pay for a denim jacket for this amount. And it's real comfy and perfect. Might have to do it. Might just have to do that. Okay, it's time to splurge. It's time to retire the old navy denim. Okay, next thing is the high-rise frayed hem straight leg jeans, and I knew these would be 88. I liked them, but I will tell you, I tried on my other white jeans that I just don't wear that often, and I put them on, and I was like, do I like the other ones better? And I didn't like them better. I think these are really cute, but the other ones are more comfortable, and I really like the fit of them. So although I did really like these, and I'd pay 88 bucks for them, I like my other ones better, and I don't need two pairs of white denim at this point. especially if I'm just mostly staying home. So those are gonna go back. Then I have the Z Supply. I should have known it was Z Supply, this shirt. I didn't even look. Okay, so 36 bucks. Okay, I'm picking up what you're putting down. I'd definitely pay that. And you know what I like about this shirt is I don't have that many, I mean, I guess I do. It's all relative, but it's just a t-shirt. It's just a t-shirt. Wear it with sweatpants, wear it with jeans. It's just a t-shirt, but it's not plain or I always have like concert tees and stuff. It doesn't have logos, it doesn't have things on it, but it's a cute, just plain t-shirt. Tell me what you think about this, because my husband wasn't that into them, but I thought it was really cute. Okay, I'll need your opinion about that, but in my mind it's a yes, especially for that price. And lastly, it's the Goldray knit dress. You should try this, because I think this would shape so perfect to so many body types. It is the softest thing ever, and I do like that it's lined, and I like the color, and I love that it covers bra straps. I could not get the lining to work. If you can, you're I believe it, because I wasn't that great at it. Because I really like this dress, and it kind of breaks my heart that the lining would kind of make me crazy. It's $68. If it was like super cheap, then maybe I would still get it even with my lining troubles. But for $68, although I don't think that's a bad price, it's just not worth it to hassle with it. So it's my striped shirts, because I love stripes, and a denim jacket. I think that's a great box. It's a great box. I'll have to do my Stitch Fix math. The total for the box is $298. If I get all 5 things, which I'm not, it's about 75 bucks off. And what? It says promo or other credit. I have a $200 credit, and I have no idea how. The whole box would be $23.50. Yeah, I'm getting everything. Why wouldn't I? What? How is that possible? Well, I don't know what that's all about, but I'll take it. Oh my gosh, why is that happening? I'm not gonna ask too many questions, but this was a great box. I think my stylist did a great job. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. I love to hear all the wonderful things you guys have to say, and have a great rest of your summer. Hopefully it lasts a few more weeks anyway. All right, take care. Bye-bye.